Hello children, myself Ishwarchand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing chapter 12, exponents and powers. Now we learn use of exponents to express small numbers in standard form. Okay. So first we know about the small things and their measurements. Then we learn how we express them correctly. The average diameter of a red blood cell is 0.000007 mm. Such a small measurement. The thickness of human hair is range of 0.005 centimeter to 0.01 centimeter. Okay. It is also small. The size of plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. It is also very small measurement. The thickness of a piece of paper is approximate 0.0016 centimeter. Diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 0.00003 meter. So these type of measurements are very small quantities. If we express in decimal form, it is quite difficult to express them. Okay. So we learn how we express them with ease and great efficiency. Here we take a measurement, value is 0.000007. Now first we convert this decimal number into a normal number. So first we remove the decimal. So we count digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we remove this decimal, so we put 1 with 6 0. You people all learn this, already know this fact. We can write this in the form of exponent like this. 7 divided by this 6 0 can be written as 10 raised to the power 6. Okay. Now if we bring this powers in top, that is in numerator, then it becomes 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So this way we can represent in such a small quantities. Okay. So ultimately 0.00007 meter is just equal to 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. This is the very efficient way to express the small quantities. Okay. Now 0.0016. So first we remove the decimal. So we count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put 40 with 1 in the denominator. So this become 16 divided by 10,000. Okay. Now we convert this into the exponent form. And this 16 can be written as 1.6 into 10. And this 10,000 can be written as 10 raised to the power 4. Now if we bring this 10 raised to the power 4 in top, it becomes 10 raised to the power minus 4. So both of these having the same base, so they are adding minus 4 and plus 1. So this becomes minus 3. So ultimately this value 0.0016 can be written as 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. This is the scientific notation which we use to express small as well as bigger quantities. Okay. So therefore we can say thickness of paper is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 centimeter, because this is the measurement of paper. This way we can express such a small numbers. Now we take other number. Here is the 0.00001275, which is the measurement size of plant cell. First we remove the decimal, so we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 0 with 1 in the denominator of 1275. Now, first we write the 1275 in the scientific form, that is 1.275. So, 10 raised to the power 3 multiplied by this, because we put the decimal here, so 1, 2, 3 are the power of 3. 10. Okay. And here is the 10 raised to the power 8. Now solve this. So, when we bring this 10 raised to the power 8 in numerator, it becomes 10 raised to the power minus 8. Here the bases are same, so power are adding. Minus 8 and plus 3, that is minus 5. So this becomes 1.275 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So size of plant cell is 1.275 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 meter. So this way we can express small numbers in the exponent form, standard form. This is the standard form in the exponent. Okay. Now comparing very large and very small numbers. This is very important. Here the diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 raised to the power 9 meter, and the diameter of earth is 1.2756 into 10 raised to the power 7 meter. These are such a big quantity, but we have to found the ratio of the two quantity. So we take the ratio of the diameter of the sun to the diameter of the earth by dividing both of these. So we put them here. Now, here is 1.4 into 10 to the power 9, and here 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7. So here we divide this to this figure and apply the rules of laws of exponents. So by applying laws of exponent, this 10 to the power 7, when we bringing up, this become 10 to the power 9 minus 7, because a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is a raised to the power m minus n. So here this is m, this is n. So this way we can subtract them. So this become 10 raised to the power 2 this, and by dividing 1.4 to 1.2756 we get 1.097. So this is, if we taken this as 1, so this become 100. So the diameter of sun is 100 times of the earth. So the diameter of sun is about 100 times the diameter of the earth. So this way we can comparing very large and very small quantity. Now we take some small quantity and comparing them. Size of red blood cell, which is 0.000007 meter, and size of plant cell 0.00001275 meter. Now we compare them. First we convert them in the scientific notation. So this become 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this itself 6. So 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. This, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1275 into 10 to the power 8. But when we place the point here, so 3 10 to the power 3 is reduced. So ultimately this become 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5. How? Start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 10 to the power 5 is here. Now solve this. 7 divided by 1.275 is here, and this is 10 raised to power minus 6 minus 5. So this minus into minus become positive. So minus 6 plus 5, that is minus 1. Now by dividing this we get this become 0.7. So 0.7 upon 1.275. By rounding off this 0.7 upon 1.3, approximate this is half of this. So red blood cell is the half of plant cell. So a blood cell is half of plant cell in size. Okay, now we take some bigger measurement also. Mass of earth is 5.97 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg, and mass of moon is 7.35 into 10 raised to the power 22 kg. So the total mass of both of these, we adjust them. 5.97 into 10 raised to the power 24 plus 7.35 into 10 raised to the power 22. First we make this powers same. So we just remove 2 here and write them as 100, and rest of the power is 10 raised to the power 22, which is common in both the figures. So this can be written as this. Okay, that this 5.97 into 10 raised to the power 22 become, by multiplying this 100, this become 597, and here 7.35. So these figures are adding, and the 10 raised to the power 22 is the common. So this way we can write 597 plus 7.35 and 10 raised to the power 22 kg common. By adding this becomes 604.35 into 10 raised to the power 22 kg. Okay, so this is the total mass, and now we express this in the standard form by shifting this decimal here. So this becomes 6.0435 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg. Okay, so this way we can comparing very large and very small numbers. Okay, this is very good method. So learn this and utilize this. Distance between sun and earth is 1.496 into 10 raised to the power 11. Okay, distance between sun and earth is 1.496 into 10 raised to the power 11 meter. Distance between earth and moon is 3.84 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter. Okay, during solar eclipse, moon comes in between earth and sun. At that time, distance between moon and sun is the difference of this 1.496 into 10 raised to the power 11 minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay, so first we make the same these powers, then we subtract them. So from 10 raised to the power 11 we take 3 power, and this write as 1000. So this become 10 raised to the power 8. Now by multiplying this and by subtracting this we get this. This become, by multiplying this, 1496, and this 10 raised to the power 8 is common, minus 3.84 here. Okay, now by subtracting this we get 1492.16 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter. Okay, now we express this in standard form. If then this, again we put this decimal here, so 1.49216 into 10 raised to the power 11 again. So this is the final answer, that is the distance between moon and sun at the time of eclipse. Now we take some example. Express in standard form. This is our first example. 0.00034 405 0000. Okay. Now, when we shift this decimal here, just count the digits and put the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By shifting 5 place, we just write 10 to the power minus 5 because we shift right side. Okay. Now we take 4050000. Here we shift the decimal in left side, so the power become positive. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we just write 4.05 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. So this way we can express in standard form. Now our second example. Express in usual form. Here these are the quantities already expressed in the standard form. We have to convert these in usual form. First we convert 3.52 into 10 to the power 5. So we write 3.52 and this 10 to the power means 1 and 50. Now by multiplying this decimal shifting by this 5 place. So we just write 352000. Here the decimal shifting 5 place here. So this convert is as 352000. Now we convert 7.54 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so write this here, and this 10 to the power minus 4 we just send in denominator. So this becomes 10 to the power 4. Now this 10 to the power 4 written as 1 4 times 0. By dividing this decimal shifting 4 place in the left side. So we can write 0.000754. So this way we can express in usual form. Now the next one, 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. First we send this 10 to the power minus 5 in the denominator, so this become 10 to the power 5. Now write this as 1 5 times 0. By dividing 3, the decimal shift toward left side. Okay. In 5 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this becomes 0.00003. So this way we can solve, we can express the quantities, we can convert the quantities. Okay, so it is very useful. So learn them well and solve your exercise question. Okay, exercise 12.2 you have to solve. If you have problem, send me on my personal WhatsApp. Have a nice day. Thanks.